How to log into MyFordBenefits Retiree account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to log in into MyFordBenefits account. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch any web browser, navigate to search bar, type in MyFordBenefits and hit enter on your keyboard. You will land on the search result page. You need to click on myfordbenefits.com. Then you will land on the official interface of MyFordBenefits account. Here, first of all, you need to reset cookies and wait until the page gets loaded. Now you will land on the official login section of MyFordBenefits where you have to enter your FordBenefits user ID. You can log in with a light mobile as well. Enter your FordBenefits password and then click on login button. With that, you will successfully log in into MyFordBenefits account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.